I'm Romae Gordon. I'm the Fashion Director and General Manager at Pulse Investments Limited, and we are the producers of Caribbean Fashion Week. We're also the project managers of the Caribbean collections at London Fashion Week. It's very important to take Caribbean fashion and show it to the world beyond our shores. At Caribbean Fashion Week, we've always been sort of promoting the internationalization of our brands, of our fashion designers and so on. We've done it with our models, and we're hoping to do the same thing with our designers. You know, those entities are always very critical, the CEDAs of this world, the Jampros, because without them we're not able to mount exhibitions such as this one to actually show the world, you know, what we can do on a grand scale. I mean, London Fashion Week is a great opportunity to showcase our designers. It's a place where there's the discovery of emerging talent, and so we feel that, you know, with the juxtaposition of the Olympics this year and with our diaspora in London as well, it's a great time for us to come together to present our collections and to advance our designers' brands on the world stage, to partake in this multi-billion-dollar business that is fashion. It's very important to meet with buyers on any level at all, because the idea is to generate business on all scale. I mean, you know, it's weird because walking on the street while I was in London, I thought about the fact that there is such a plethora of designs, of new trends coming on stream constantly, and you wonder if there's room for more of that. And then you think, well, you know, this is the perfect place for that, because people are always looking for new ideas, new trends. And you know, it's very important for international buyers to be exposed to our designers, so that they can see that when people, even with our resort collections, you know, when they're coming to the islands on holidays, they can look to our local designers to buy things that are fashionable, that can be worn not just in the Caribbean, but whenever they go on holidays anywhere else in the world. So that connection with the buyers and the designers is very critical, and we're hoping to do a lot more than just, you know, having this one-off event at London Fashion Week. We're hoping to do it back, invite some of them back to Caribbean Fashion Week, and take it even further, maybe perhaps with the Olympics, and then come back again in September for the spring-summer collections there. Well, I think there's such a synergy there, and incidentally, I had a conversation with one of the designers this evening, Juliet Dyke of Julan, and I was talking to her about how the designers have to capitalize on the celebrity of our athletes, and they have to get them in their clothes to promote them, you know, in a soft kind of way, because that's how the brands are going to get the exposure that they need with those famous athletic faces wearing them. So there's such a natural synergy there, and I mean, there is so much business to be generated from that connection that I think that it's the designers need to utilize that sort of much more than they are doing so now. Well, I think I'll be in Jamaica. I mean, I think there's no better place to be for the 50th anniversary of Jamaica than in Jamaica. I'm not sure what I'll do. I think I love Jamaica so much. There's so much energy and vibrancy and creativity and in Jamaica that there is no better place to be to celebrate our 50th year of independence from Britain.